strictly GI. Gibbering idiot, that is. He's supposed to guard us chickens.
Hut, 2, 3, 4. Hut, 2, 3.
I say hut, 2, 3, 4. Hut, 2, 3, 4. Hey, dog.
What do you want?
You better keep a sharp eye on us chickens. I hear the weasels close by. Wouldn't do to let any of them young'uns slither out under the fence, boy.
Go peddle your papers.
Just trying to do you a good turn, dog.
Now look what you done. You let a chick get out. Now run, dog. Get him before the weasel gets him. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick. There goes another one. Get him, get him, get him.
Here's a whole mess of them, dog. Better round them up.
Hey, cut that out.
That dog's busier than a centipede at a toe counting contest.
Hold these while I open the gate. No, Weasel. Oh, no, you don't. Come back here. Now, beat him.
Say, dog, this knot hole seems to be loose. I better glue it tight before a chick gets out.
Hey, give me that. I ought to myrtleize the big overstuffed feather duster.
Dog, hey, dog! What am I doing on the outside of the fence? I belong on the inside. I demand you put me back where I belong. Dog.
All right. I'll put yours back.
Somebody close the door. I feel a draft. Hey, Weasel. Look, boy, don't waste your time with those little yellow fuzz balls. What you want's a nice, big, eating chicken, right? Now, like I was saying, I know where there's a nice, big, fine-eating Red Island road. You just wait right here, and when you hear me whistle, come a-running.
Hut, 2, 3, 4. Hut, 2, 3, 4. Hut, 2, 3, 4. Hut, 2, 3, 4. Come and get it! Uh-oh. Now look, Weasel, you don't want no dog, which I'm. What you want's a chicken. Well, I know where there's a big, fat, loud-mouthed slob of a rooster, and I'll tell yous how we'll get him. Now you take this piece of chalk and this mallet, and then you come on.
Somebody knocked.
Ain't you ashamed? Intoxicated.
Oh, that's ridiculous. I'm a teetotaler. Yeah, I'll never touch a stuff, boy.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Come on, let's see you walk this straight line.
Perfectly absurd. Why, there's nothing to walk. There's nothing to walk in a straight line. Boy, why, anybody can walk a Freeze. Must be gonna rain. My corn's hurting. Say, something's burning. My foot's getting hotter than a sweatband in a fireman's helmet. Ouch! Ouch! Oh, I can't stand to hear the big schnook suffering like that. Ow! Ah,